Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest mysteries in all of science.
Okay, so how does this wet, gray stuff in our heads create, well, us, our subjective experience?
Yeah, you can think of it like your own private movie, playing 24/7. Sights, sounds, the whole deal.
Right. Explaining what the brain does is one thing, but explaining why it feels like something, that's the real puzzle.
So scientists are basically detectives, looking for clues, the brain activity that lines up with consciousness.
And this is where it gets super interesting, where we find consciousness and, crucially, where we don't.
Get this, the cerebellum has most of the brain's neurons, yet it seems to have nothing to do with consciousness.
So where's the on switch? Is it up front with our thoughts or in the back with our senses?
And a huge study found something wild. Our thinking center up front might not be needed for basic awareness at all.
All right, we've got our clues. Now let's check out the three main detectives on this case.
First up, physicalism. For these guys, there's no magic. Consciousness just is a brain process.
It's kind of like this. H2O doesn't cause water, it just is water. Same idea here.
So the idea is to solve the easy problems first, hoping the so-called hard problem just disappears.
Okay, detective number 2, Integrated Information Theory, or IIT for short.
You see, you don't experience red and apples separately. It's one single unified experience.
And now for our wildest suspect, panpsychism. What if even tiny particles are a little bit conscious?
But here's the big problem. How do trillions of tiny conscious bits create your single consciousness?
So yeah, the case is definitely still wide open. Each theory has its own compelling story.
So what's the bottom line? It's a huge puzzle, we've got some clues, and the top theories are battling it out.
Which leaves us with this final thought. Are we a brain figuring out the universe, or the universe figuring itself